What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are in Stockton, California, Northern California, guys. Yeah, we're checking out. I've been hyping up warehouse shoe sales, or WSS, for quite some time. So there's one. I got some business to take care of out here, and there happens to be one not that far away. So I said, hey, let's go check it out. See if they got some heat for cheap, just like they do in LA. Let's go see what's up, you guys. See what's up. Check out this WSS, man. Hopefully they got some steals and deals, just like out in LA. All right, they don't have too many of the new releases. It looks like the Jordan 13 reverse he got game is the only new release they got. Got plenty of those sizes going for retail, but not much else. Let's look around. They got the black hats, not sold out. And then they also got the black satin too. And they got a bunch of black satin. They got a few of the black hats. So hey, good to know. They got those at WSS if you guys need them. All right, obviously we try not to pay retail, but we do on some things. But yeah, if you guys need to get stuff like on release day, they do get new releases here, you guys. They do have the black hats. Yeah, I'm surprised they have them. But yeah, they got them and they're chilling. So if you need them, go ahead. If you don't have an outlet near you like I do, you know, not everybody can get lucky like I do. So this is a clearance section. You guys all know I'm always about the clearance sections, and it looks pretty janky. It does. It looks pretty janky, but the crazy thing is they do got some steals here. They do. Let's start with the 9.5 FIBAs. These aren't on sale everywhere. I think they were not on sale at Shoe Palace, which is hella surprising. Or they were, but it was only like 10-15 bucks off. But yeah, this 150 normally goes for what, 200, I think. 200, and yeah, $50 off. Obviously, I think we can find better deals, but if the only thing that's around you is Shoe Palace, if the only thing that's around where you live is WSS, man, not a bad pickup. Not too bad. Not too bad. Like I said, I'm hella cheap, so you know, I think I could get these for 100. But hey, that's all you got. Jordan Pro React going for 80. Seen these on sale like everywhere. We got a yellow colorway as well. Going for 50. Oh wow. Size 11. That one's going 50. That's what's up. It's 15. Jordan, why not 0.2s? So I haven't found that much, but look up top. It's crazy because they got all this junk down here, and then they got all this heat up there, man. That's crazy. Let's zoom in. Obviously, I'm not gonna jump up there and grab any of them, but yeah, let's zoom in and check some out. That's 7.5 right there. That's a chlorophyll 3. Size 7.5. Go for 100 bucks. 100 bucks, not bad. Got that Pro React going for 50 bucks. That's a white and black one. I believe it's the same colorway as that, so maybe that one's mispriced. Why not 0.2s? I think that's the first colorway, the first one, for 50 bucks though. 50 bucks, size 8.5, man. That's just a hell of a deal. So I just realized the 8.5 0.2s up top, that's the same colorway as this one. It's white with crimson, same thing. They have the Chlorophyll 3 Retro, and if they have the Why Not 0.2s, especially in the size 8.5, why aren't they showing it right here? Why are they showing all this, like, I don't know, do we need to see a feature? Like, do we need to see all this mess? I don't know. Just seems like kind of like bad sales techniques. Oh, look. 6.5 right here for 40 bucks. That's not bad. It's not bad. All white. Not too shabby. They do have a Pro React here for 50 bucks if any of you guys are into those. I'm not the hugest fan, but hey, it is React. It's a Jordan. Pretty cheap. Ooh, what the hell? They got kid stuff in the middle. They got more men's clearance stuff right here. This place is crazy the way they organize things. But yeah, the Grand Hill 2 lows, 11. Going for 60 bucks. 60 bucks. These aren't bad, dude. The technology's not the greatest, but they look pretty dope. I like the original colorway. I do have original colorway ones at home. Maybe that was just the Jordan section. I don't know. But yeah, they got the Cortex basic leathers going for $60. I think they're normally like, what, 75? He did wear these in the movie. That's why everybody calls them the Forrest Gumps. Normally 75, so that's only $15 off. And we got these Jordan 1s, Jordan 1 lows. Joking, they're the Abernons. Excuse me. So these are the Abernons. I don't want to be Jordan 1s. They don't have any holes in the middle or anything. Supposedly it's the premium, because these are pretty low budget, but this is the premium version of the low budget. Kind of does look like Jordan 1 low from afar, dude. That's hilarious. Kind of the color scheme too. Yeah, going for $50, normally 75. This is not the original Grant Hills, because that one was like a patent leather right here, and it was also navy blue, but this one's black. Yeah, $60, still not bad. $50 off. And they got the red and white colorway, $60. These are both, what, size 9s? Both size 9s. Oh, size, that's a size 9, that's a size 11. These are finds, solid finds. Good price too. I think this is the last solid pair of sneakers. NMDs. Got some NMDs. I don't know what that number stands for, but I don't really know Adidas that well. But yeah, some NMD size 11s going for 50. Going for 50, normally $130, so $80 off. Not too bad if you like red and if you like Adidas or the NMDs. I'm in the women's section. Yeah, there's nothing, absolutely nothing. Not even worth showing. That's crazy. Let's look around. They got boots here for the women. Some budget boots for like $30. There's just not much here, you guys. I do have to say, a lot more heat in the LA ones, man. A lot more heat in the LA ones. They do got the He Got Game in the kids, and they got this one. I haven't seen this one anywhere. Obviously, GS colorway. Grape Hyper Crimson. I don't know what they're calling this, but that's an interesting one. A little too much for my kids not to like that, but I guess it's a newer colorway though. All right, really not much else, you guys. We're gonna wrap it up. Probably a short video because not much to show. So I guess this is their heat section. As soon as you get in, got those. We've seen those everywhere. It's just the black. The black satin, I believe they call this, right? The black satin. Okay. Oh, it's that whole satin material. Okay. And then the bloodlines. They got some new stuff here. Okay. All right. There really wasn't that much there, you guys. I'm trying to create new content for you guys and trying to look around. Not everybody has Nike outlets near them, but yeah, there's really not much, you guys. I don't know, it seems like a lot of the sneaker stores or the sneaker shops in LA tend to just have way more heat than most other places. Most of the sneaker shops I've been to outside of Los Angeles hasn't had much. So I do apologize for this place not having too much heat. Sorry that if you guys live in this area, you know, yeah, at least you guys get the new releases. They got a bunch of the new releases, so that's good. But sorry they don't have the deals and steals. Kind of like we do in LA. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this type of content, make sure you guys go ahead, hit that like video. And yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe and press that notification button since I come out with so much stuff. See you in the next one, you guys. Peace.